eh.
45 seconds. 40 to shot. Okay, 40 to shoot. 40 on the shot clock. 83-74. Long three. Wala rebound to be 40 seconds na lang. Okay, 35 seconds. Again. Okay, last 30 seconds.
Ano ba yan? Final ano na ba yan?
Long three. Wala. Okay, technical tayo. Tatinig po yan again. Okay, again. Single na lang. Ako possession lang. Ako possession. Wala tayong ball control. Nasa ito yung bola. Ako possession lang yan. Okay, 24 seconds shot lang sa 13. Okay, valuable to the punch. Pass number 9 is dead. 18 seconds na lang, players. Last 15. Okay, last 10. Last 8.